Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Engineering Research Center. I am Ritam Pramanick and today I am going to make a something interesting video. Then let's start. And today I will make LED flasher circuit with the help of 555 IC, and this is a very easiest circuit you can say. And for making this circuit we need some components, and the first component is 555 IC. I think everyone known this IC, and this is a 555 IC, and this one is capacitor. This is a 10 microfarad capacitor, and next one is 0.01 microfarad capacitor. This one is a 5 mm LED. This one is 5 mm LED, and this is the 330 ohms resistor. This one is 1 kilo ohms. This one is 10 kilo ohms. Okay, and you can see this is a ground, this one is triggering, this one is output, this one is reset, this one is control voltage, then threshold, then discharge, then power. And this one is first 1 number pin, then second, then third, then fourth, then 6, 7, 8. Okay, now first we have to connect. First I have to connect 2 number pin with the 6 number pin. Okay, and you can see this is a 2 number pin, and I will connect 2 number pin to 6 number pin. Now okay, then I have to connect 2 number pin with the positive terminal with the capacitor, and this is a positive terminal, and this one is negative terminal. And I have to connect, this is a ground pin, and also I have to connect the capacitor negative to ground. Okay, now okay, then I have to connect the LED. I have shown you that this is an output pin, and our output is I will show output through our LED. Okay, then I have to connect. Before connecting I need 1 resistors. This one is 330 ohms resistors. This one is anode means positive, and this one is output pin. And this is very easy circuit, anyone can make this type of circuit. Then I have to connect, this one is negative means ground, and also this is a negative terminal of LED. I will change the color for understanding purpose. This one is ground terminal, and this one is positive terminal like red. Also it is a red. Now okay, then this one is red. Now okay, then I have to connect this capacitor. I have to connect with the 5 number pin. This is a 5 number pin with the capacitor terminal 1. I will take wire from here, and easily I can connect, and I have to connect with negative terminal. Now it's okay. Then I have to connect this one is 10 kilo ohms resistor, and this one is 1 kilo ohms resistor. I will connect 10 kilo ohms to 1 kilo ohms, and this wire color will be red, and I have to connect from here to pin number 7. This one is pin number 7, connected. Then Then I have to connect the 10 kilo ohms resistor terminal 1 with the terminal 2. This is terminal 1 and this is the 555 IC number terminal. Then I have to connect, this is a 1K resistor, and this 1K resistors terminal number 1 I have to connect with the phone number pin. With phone number pin. One second. Now it's okay. Now I have connected. Then I have to connect. You know that this is a power and this one is a reset, and I have to short these two terminal. Now it's okay. Now done. Our circuit is done. Then I need a power supply, and this is my power supply. And I have said to you that, and this is a power supply, power pin like VCC pin. Then I'll take here one terminal, and easily I will connect with my power supply. And for running this purpose, I need 5 volt, and this circuit will take 5 volt power supply for working. And this is a negative terminal. 1 minute. This is negative, and I will connect with my power supply. Now our circuit is fully completed. Now I have to switch on the power supply, then our circuit will be work. And you can see our circuit is working, and you can see our circuit is working very easily, very well. And you can make this type of circuit in your home easily. And thank you for watching this video. If the video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, then you can easily subscribe my channel.